Hi there, today we are going to see how we can install Bun JS in Windows. As of today, Bun JS installation is supported only in Mac, Linux, and WSL. We are going to use WSL to install a Linux distribution, say Ubuntu, and install Bun JS in it. WSL list command will list down all the installed distros in your Windows system. The same can be viewed under Linux subspace in File System. Now we will install Ubuntu using WSL install command. This will launch a new Ubuntu terminal after installation. We can also verify in the File Explorer. We are prompted to set new username and password for Ubuntu. Copy the command from Bun homepage and try executing it. You will notice it throws an error saying unzip package is missing. This error can be resolved by installing unzip package using apt-get. Please make sure to use sudo in your command. Enter your password for sudo access. After installing unzip, try installing Bun again using the same command. This time we see the installation is successful. When we try running Bun command, we may notice Bun is undefined. This can be resolved using source command on current bash terminal. This will load the new properties added to bash file by Bun. The installation can be verified using Bun version command. Next, we will create a sample React project using Vite. We will create a new folder for the project. Bun create command uses predefined templates for starting new projects. Here we use Vite template create a TypeScript React project. Next, we will set up VS Code to load our new project. First, we need to install the WSL extension in VS Code. This will allow us to connect to Linux distros and load the files in it in VS Code. Press F1 key and type WSL for the list of options. Select Connect to Distro option and choose Ubuntu. This will open a new instance of VS Code in Ubuntu space. Now we can select the folder path in Ubuntu using the WSL configuration in VS Code. You can copy the path from the terminal. This will load our new project in VS Code. Now, we can use the VS Code integrated terminal to execute all Bun commands. We will using Bun install command to install all the dependencies for the project. Notice how fast the dependencies are installed. Next, we can use the bun to execute the dev command configured in package.json file. This will launch the application in our browser. Notice how fast the application booted. We can notice the performance difference straight away in comparison to Node.
That's all for today. Happy easy coding!